a lot of clients who are entrepreneurs, and when you talk to them either about leaving their job, or maybe they've never had a full-time job, but they're now thinking about investing. What are some of the most important things that those of us who are now our own bosses, our business owners, what should we be considering when it comes to our financial futures?
Yeah, there's a few things. The first thing I would say is on the cash or the saving side, and that ideally is done before you make that leap into either freelancing or starting a business, and that's a few different things. So one is a budget, and that could be a personal budget and or a business budget. Also on the business side, it's looking at what's your cash flow projection. I have a product or I have a service. How much do I think I can realistically bring in terms of revenue? What will my expenses likely be? And then the third thing is to kind of help with that. If there is some sort of shortfall, is to have money in the bank. So, you want to have 6 to 12 months of cash in the bank to cover expenses for those 6 to 12 months. And that's in case we have a global pandemic, which, a lot of people are being tested this year. Maybe revenue is not what you thought it would be. Maybe you have a health issue, or you have expenses that weren't planned. There could be a lot of different circumstances why you would need that cash, but that's just a buffer. You want that runway when you do start your own company.